Welcome back to the Price is Pearl Life Kitchen Edition. And you already know I'm cooking up something real good. And if you want to see what I prepared for my family on today, you know what to do. Just keep watching. So today I intended to cook my steaks on the grill, but Mother Nature had another plan. So I opted for Plan B, to make my steaks in the air fryer. My steaks have been marinating for over 24 hours. My seasonings include salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and steak seasoning. To get a nice crust and that sear-like appearance on your steaks, make sure to preheat your air fryer for about 6 minutes and spray it with some type of cooking spray. So I'm setting my air fryer to 400 degrees and cooking them on one side for 10 minutes, flipping them over and cooking them for about 6 to 7 minutes, depending on the thickness and the degree of cooking that you want your steaks. Here at the Johnson Ranch, we love well done. First 2 steaks out and simply adding a pat of butter and some parsley. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And thanks for always stopping by the Johnson Ranch. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. So now my last 2 steaks are coming out, and I think everything turned out well. I would have loved to have them on my grill, but air fry, it's still a win-win. You see the shine, you see the seasoning, you already know these steaks are so good. They say we eat with our eyes, so please don't bite the screen. So while my steaks are resting, I'm adding a pat of butter and again, a couple of shakes of parsley. Do you see that butter running over that steak? Let the church say amen. Enjoy today's quick recipe. In fact, if you're enjoying all of my recipes, make sure to leave me a comment below. I love cooking for my family and my friends. And if you are a beginner, I want to show you just how easy it is to prepare a most delicious meal. Only one thing left to do. Make me a plate and eat. Join me next time. You never know what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. But one thing for sure, you know it's gonna be good. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.